What is going on here? This is different. We're starting to vlog off with food. Normally we end them this way. It's 10 p.m. and we're starting to vlog.
Yellow Joyriders.
Anyways, we're gonna go into the garage and we're gonna go do some stuff.
We got some boxes to unbox first.
Yeah, we do. Let's go.
The post office.
Look at you already out here. Are you ready to mod?
Yeah.
So we got that big box right there, and we got to get the car up on the lift. So we got a little bit of mail right here, and then Laura's coming out. Are you coming out here? Are you gonna help us?
No.
Why not? Are you gonna be lazy?
Yeah, I'll tell you what to do. Logan's supposed to open part of this or no?
Yeah, I think this is actually from Will. So he said there was something in here for Logan. We already can tell that this is a license plate. What state?
Indiana.
Indiana?
New Hampshire.
New
Look for
Hampshire.
your dog.
I'm gonna say North Carolina.
Bless you.
Really?
Oh, it's South Carolina.
South Carolina?
It's not even right on the address.
It's funny. Excuse me.
Yeah. That's awesome. I like that. I said North Carolina because the package actually had North Carolina on it.
Oh, you cheated.
I did cheat, but I was still lost. It's South Carolina. I was close.
That's a fun game. Make sure
I like that.
everybody send us license plates. This is the best game ever, especially when you had a glass of Prosecco.
Really? Let's open this. How much tape did he use?
Literally, there's so much tape I can't even get the tape off. Okay.
Yeah, that's Will. He actually sent us pins last time, remember? Yeah. Whoa, that looks like a Mustang right there, buddy. What kind of, ooh, that's a Shelby. Is that a Dale Earnhardt truck?
When he's speechless, you know it's good. Wow.
That's a wine stop.
Stop our Prosecco now. This is awesome. Look, and he put a Virginia corner in it.
Wow, that is freaking awesome. That's
decal is for JD.
The
Yeah.
heartbeat of America is
This will
Chevy.
go in the toolbox. Logan's going in to go play with his cars now.
Is there anything left in our Prosecco bottle?
I don't know. When she opens her bottles, she never really needs these because she drinks them before she needs.
Laura needs more necklaces like this.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate this.
Thank you so much, Will. These are fabulous. I'm awestruck. This is talent beyond talent.
Looks like an artist.
Now we gotta open the big box. I don't think they know about the big box. Are you guys super excited about this?
I am. Damn, it's really pretty.
Look at this. That's pretty cool. This is an XFORCE Varex exhaust system. Wait till you guys see what this thing can do. It's gonna freaking blow your mind. They've been around for a while in Australia, but to the US market, they're still kind of fairly new. And they've definitely been doing a lot. They work with Von Gittin Jr. and they're working with American Muscle too.
Yeah, and Mustang.
And I've seen their stuff on Summit Racing as well.
Yep.
So they're getting their name out there. They're fairly new,
But they've been in the business for 15 years.
yes.
So they're new to America, but they are not new to.
Yes, they've been around. They make these exhausts for pretty much every vehicle out there.
Yeah.
They've got them for Subarus and
Trucks.
any of you guys are ever worried about, oh, is that exhaust too loud or is it too quiet or they don't want something that's gonna be too loud? With this, you'll never have to worry about that. And we're gonna show you why, because you can control how your exhaust sounds with your phone. She said just a tip, and that's what we gave her.
All right, well, let's lay
It's so amazing.
Where's the directions?
We don't need directions. We just gonna bolt it up on there.
We better do this shit right. We got a show to go to this weekend.
Let's see if the first size I check is it. Oh, that never happens. Just for the record, I just grabbed a random socket and bam, it works.
Goon.
You got this.
It came off.
It's good. You want it to come off. That's what we're doing. is we're taking it off. Oh, and it's all over the floor.
Amateur.
Right? And you said it to me. You called me an amateur, and now look at you.
Oh, you want me to get the side part?
Yeah. Okay. I took and brought the wire right up through that rubber grommet that's right there in the tire well. Then I just ran it down through there. And also, I got booster pumps. If anybody wants those, I'll probably sell them because I got a return style fuel system. Everything here is just pretty much plug and play. You yawning?
Yeah.
All right, Joyriders, we're gonna close out today and we're gonna pick back up tomorrow. But for you guys, we're gonna pick back up in a couple seconds. But here, before we go, let me show you the part that I broke. I snapped a bolt. And we're gonna go tomorrow and try to get a whole new flange. So that's where we're gonna pick up.
See you then.
What's up, Joyriders? We are back on the vlog. It's currently the next day. We had to get to Starbucks to get the day started. So we're gonna head over to the auto parts store. Bex has got the parts right here. Thank you, Will, for the box because it came in handy. Let's see if we can find some exhaust clamps, hoses, or whatever the hell you guys call those things. Second place. All right, we're over here at Napa. So we're gonna see if they got it. Oh, you got the parts. Bex has got it.
What's this?
Let's see what you got.
On the car.
Yeah.
Y'all take care, man.
You too.
Thanks. See you around.
Wrong way, wrong way. Yeah, I did. He was already laughing at me for going the wrong way. Anyways, we got our clamp here. It's a little bit softer. It's not as durable as this one. We're gonna see if we can find one of these that's, I guess, more durable. But in the meantime, we may end up having to use this one. R4.
Reverse.
D4. Anyways, let's go hit the road. She's downloading the XFORCE exhaust app. All right, so we're pulling over here into Shenandoah Ford. So we're gonna go into the parts section over here and see if they have the exact clamp that we need. This is probably where we should have went the first time. That's if they have it, but if not, we did the right thing. I think I'm gonna park over here next to this Ford F-150. This is 4.6 or 5.4? 5.4.
This is how the X-Plus.
Yep. Yep, that's exactly. So we ordered the new clamp. They didn't have it in stock. Should be here Tuesday. So we're gonna use the one we got from Napa as our temporary one. So it's a good thing we did grab that one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Back to the house. Back in the garage. I mean, everything looks good. Looks good, but it's not completely strapped in. So we're gonna get the car up in the air and get everything fastened in, and we should be done with this. And we're gonna start it up, check out the app, check and see how everything works, and give you guys some sound clips. You think it's gonna be a lot louder?
Yes.
She says yes. My old exhaust is right there. The old one! Team Lark, comment that down below, hashtag Team Lark. So was it Eddie Fox? We know you're gonna comment that. He's always on there. You guys see that in the comments?
Yeah, every time.
Every time. That's her favorite commenter. So we got it all up. So we got a temporary hose clamp. 12 bucks, 50 bucks. I haven't messed with it yet, so this is my first time like using this. I just opened the app.
I got
So
to
know
mess with
nothing,
it.
So we're basically.
I
Oh,
got
you
to-
did mess with
I
it?
messed with the one at Hyperfest.
Okay,
I
so
got to
it
mess
says
with that
close. Look. Oh, you can
one.
hear
You can,
it.
yeah.
Open, that's all the way. So we're gonna start the car up with it closed. Right now it's fully closed. See how she sounds. And I'm not even really revving it. This is nasty. Now we're gonna fully open this. Dude, isn't that badass?
It's so cool.
That is awesome. I love it. This is so sick.
I told you.
This is so awesome. This is like probably my new favorite thing on the car. How badass is that? Like, I'm like, just by the car. That is cool as shit. I'm like super geeking out right now. Wow. If you guys don't have this, you need it. I mean, just, I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of speechless. This thing is so badass. This is my new most favorite thing I've done to the car so far.
You know that there's a GPS thing on there?
Yeah, that's right, there is. There's also a GPS feature built in, so you can actually pinpoint certain locations. Like if you live in an apartment complex or you live in a neighborhood and you want your car to quiet down, it'll automatically do that once you reach those GPS coordinations, wherever you program on here. So if you're pulling in your neighborhood, you can program it to quiet down when you pull in here. You don't even have to do it. It'll just automatically do it on its own.
Yeah, and you don't even have to have the app open either.
Yeah, don't have to have the app open or anything like that. But there's so many cool features that I have not even like talked about or figured out. But I'm gonna play around with this thing, and so far I'm loving it. The stainless steel finish on the exhaust looks amazing. Let's go show Laura. See, that's the app right there, and you can open it, fully open it, and watch. Yeah. Isn't that cool? And close it. Yeah, you can play around with it. And then you can go to like 25%. Try 25.
Oh, I did. I went to each level.
Isn't that cool? No, I think we need to hit the streets and see how it sounds going down the road. Like fully closed and then fully open. I'm super like geeking out about it. It's so awesome. Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
We're gonna go take off up the hill, get a sound clip of you guys with it fully closed, and then we'll redo that again with it opened. Right now we are fully closed. That's a lot louder. And if you didn't want to get your phone out and use your phone every time you wanted to open and close the valve on the, it also comes with a key fob too, so that's pretty cool. So, and this key fob is like super nice. It's got like this little slide thing. It's got this stainless steel right here. It's super nice, and you slide that down. You got A and B, so where you can open and close the exhaust as well. So, and it came with 2 of those. And it also has a matrix mode too as well, so you can have it closed and as you're driving around, and then if you get on it or go over a certain RPM, it opens up. So you can program it to do that as well. There's so many features on this that I probably won't even touch half of the features in this video, but it's just something you guys need to look into. It's just super, super cool, and I am very impressed with this. So let's try out the key fob. So that's the XFORCE exhaust. We're gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but you guys need to check them out. You can also get their products through American Muscle. And if you guys are gonna be at American Muscle, XFORCE will be up there with a booth. So you guys will definitely have to stop by, check them out. This is badass. That's all I have to say. It's super cool. I haven't seen anybody else, any other exhaust companies doing this yet, but.
We'll be at booth.
Yes.
We'll be at the booth.
She'll be at the booth. I don't know if my car will be there because I think they only got 1 slot.
Oh.
So my car may be either there at their booth, and if it's not at their booth, it'll be up front in specialty parking. So you guys will be able to find the car easy at the show. So it'll be up front somewhere. Super excited.
I can't wait. I'm so excited for American Muscle. It's my favorite show besides Mustang.
American Muscle is one of my favorites too as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Buy some merch.
Oh my gosh, here she goes to the merch plugs. Later.